Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going down to one of my depots that I'm currently closing down. I'm not losing, I am closing down the place so that my Lisburn depot, the bigger depot, gets to become more effective and more profitable, and it maintains the running of the business. The way I see it is now, I don't believe multiple depots or having triple depots is a good idea for the effectiveness of running an online business. So we're going down to, I brought Matt, I picked up Matt and I picked up you, and we're cutting down here to pick the stock for the day's picking and packing. And while we're at it, we're going to bring a couple of boxes in the back of the car here to our Lisburn depot. So here we are. If you can see, this is my property up ahead. That's my beautiful property. I built it myself. Ding. Well, I didn't just build it myself, I got help. Oh, the gates are open again. Makes no sense. So, we'll be with you in a minute. Come on, let's get this done. So here was once where our battery business was. We've now been starting to take it down. All the stock's been slowly discontinued and brought over to the Lisburn depot. We have also got stock stored away in a Drumore and a Moira depot. Sorry to interrupt you. Most of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, so please like, subscribe, and please click on the alert button. Thanks for watching. But it's just stock at the minute. I don't believe I'm going to have any other staff location other than one place where we can all work together as a team. So I've always taken this down. If you look at some of my old videos, it used to have me sitting here. Some of on my old channel, you can have a look here and here. Used to have tons and tons of batteries. I had during that time about 150 grand's worth of batteries, and that cost or that level of stock has gone down, and it's probably due to the fact that we cannot ship batteries as good as we used to be able to back years ago. So that's the reason why I diverged into fashion and general stores and other types of products in order to maintain my business. The growth was because of the decline of one sale or the decline of one business. And again, I talk about my book. The book, rule number 1 of the 10 rules for 10 years of becoming successful is this: strength. Show strength when things hit you, a big slap. You show strength, you move forward, you don't go backwards, you don't go down, you go up always, or sideways, or find a way of going around it. So that's it. We're now doing a bit of picking and packing today on the Newry location, and then after that we're going to start taking some stock and heading back to the staffed depot. Thanks for watching. We'll do some more updates in a minute, and yeah. Okay, so we've done the picking and packing here. I'm going to bring a couple of boxes down to the other depot. All we're doing is we're slowly transitioning the stock from the old depot, which is here. I'm going to turn this property now into a house rental. I'll get about $1,600 a month for this place because it's quite a big property. It sits on 1.5 acres with its own lake and about car parking for 60 cars. The idea really is I'll probably make more money from this depot as a house rented. That's the idea of it now. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please click the alert button.